Thanksgiving, I want to make something beautiful that I never made. If you want to make it with me, let's get tutorial. Okay, now we're going to make a light box. Just prepare a paper like this, and it's a little bit difficult, but I think it's not too difficult for you, my crafting buddy. So there's a line over here, and you can according the lines, fold with careful like this. It's really recommended for your Thanksgiving night and for a gift too. The pattern is real like this. Later, see, it should be a box around here. It's like this. See, it's almost shaped the box. And we're gonna do this part that there's a line over here for the lightning. Something like this. Alright. After make this, just put the glue. And it's to be bottom of the light. You can condense the lights over here. And you can use a double tape over here. Or you can use glue like this until it's to be a box like this. And maybe you can change the color because it's I have just white here, or maybe you can change with a pink, or maybe you can change with a green one or something. You can use your favorite color. It's dry, I think. And don't forget to put on this. Or maybe you wanna make this more bigger or more decorated. The first part of the lamp, the bottom of the lamp is ready. Just press it down until it's. We turn it to this part. We fold like before, but it's a little bit different because we're not float in and float out like that. So there's according the lines over here. You can sit and fold with it carefully and gentle like this. Just like this. It's really easy. And there's two parts here to crafting like this. Is it right? Just like this. Now first you have to do stick this part into this part. It's to be a one like this. This is the first layer for the lamp. Put a glue here. All the glue is messed up. Just stick this like this. This is streak. The sides streak like this. Let's put the glue in side by side like this. Yep. Here we go. Put like we did before. Streak. This and this part is streak to the another part like this. And for the next, don't forget to this. This is the same pattern of it, and don't forget and don't side down. Just make sure your pattern is on a good way, like this. It's really easy, and it's clock. And your front part is a clock. It's automatic clock. And it's turned like this. Now, next to the another part, just connect the same way like this. Same way. This, don't rip this and pull down. And it's same. Just pull it over and connect. And this is the final part. Just connect like we do at the first, like this. Connect the glue here. You can use another glue than this, or maybe if you want with a big glue or sticking glue, everything for the pepper. But don't get too much and don't get mess. Here we go, and try it out. Pepper like this. See? Ta-da! After that, we pull that part and we put it here. And done! This is our light box. Voila! This is the light box we made. If you want to make this bigger or if you want a full decoration in here, you can share with me or in our community in drizzycraft.com. Follow our media social and waiting for the next design. Bye bye!